Hello fellow adventurers, Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent here, and I have a goal this year to help you buy nice, not twice. And what do I mean by that? Well, we've all bought cheap gear before and had to rebuy it or spend the insane amount of money that some gear costs anyway after we've bought 2 or 3 cheap pieces. I really want to help you by learning from my mistakes and showing you the gear that I use and I trust. So hopefully this helps you out, but we're going to get into it right now.
I've got a new item today to go over. I'm tired of my phone falling off my bike. It get pretty rough, and the X mount from Ram Mounts has not been working. So this is a solution I came up with. This is the QuadLock. This is the case for the phone and the QuadLock mounting system for the bike. On the case, you got the 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. Put it in, twist it. It's supposed to lock it right into place and not move. Case went on pretty easily. Seems pretty secure. About as protective as the OtterBox. Maybe not quite, but feels pretty good. So, case is a win so far. Imagine it shouldn't be too tough to install. They give you the mount. They also give you the Allen wrench that you'll need to install it, and all the Allens are the same size. How about that? Comes with a 25 millimeter, a 22, and a 28 millimeter ring for the insides. Pretty simple. Just put the back side under the handlebar, the top side on, and take the 2 screws with the Allen wrench provided and tighten them together. The screws that come with it have Loctite on them already, which is a bonus. Twist right into place and hold that sucker on good. Tighten that kind of hand tight. Then we'll set it in and see where we're at, because I'm sure I need to adjust something. So we'll leave that there and put the swing arm over so that we can adjust to perfection. It also rises it up off the bars a little bit. Then there's a screw there. That's an Allen. Just find your screw hole there. Tighten that guy in. Well, you know, phones are only $800 to $1,000, so we probably want it really secure. Locked in like a nun on Saturday night. Alright, I'm gonna find my keys, go to the store, let you know how the ride goes. The QuadLock phone case and mount. And sure hoping that phone case and mount do their job, because it's a brand new phone and I can't afford a new one. Hell, I can't afford the stuff I'm going to the store for today, but that's alright. That's part of the moto camping experience. We'll hit some bumps and see what's up. Still in there pretty good. So just to give you an example of what type of terrain I have tested this on, I did a lot of the Arizona BDR backcountry discovery route. A couple days were a lot of terrain like this. 2,100 miles total on the trip. Most of that was on the road, but the phone held great. Thanks for stopping by today. So far, I would say definitely get yourself a QuadLock and forget the Ram mount X-Wing. I'll leave you with the mountain view and say la vie, baby. Until next time, get out and find yourself some adventure!